Alright, if you're having issue, there is no panel working, it must be that wiring which is goes right here, that needs to be a check. Most of the time we get breakdown. In order to open this, there is a one pin right here. You need to press it and pull a little bit. It will come out from right here. So same is right here also. Press it and pull it backward. And if I may take that, and just here and pull this thing whole entire. Pull it down. The wire will be come out. Pause. Either you can take a drill machine, either screwdriver. This one screw on right hand side. And then just pull it and it's gonna come out. Once it's come out, unplug this wire, check the wire, pull out the wire. Simply to take out the wire, you need to just pull and press this clear part and slide this down backward. Press it and slide it, it will come out this part, and you can unplug right here this one and check the wire. Most of the time with this wire, the part comes from the factory, which is this one, causing the damage, bending the wire and breakdown, that you can replace. You can easily find on Amazon. And you can replace this one, put it backward, let it go sliding right here, connect this one, and then connect on the back part. This latch, it's on back part right here. Slide it. Connect this back part on the back side. Place it on properly. Make sure the wire coming from the front. Place my camera right here. Let's take the screw. I'll screw this part back again. Screw this part back again. Wire need to be come in front, and this wire needs to be go in this railing. There is a connect wire comes right here, and it goes right here, and it comes from here, and it goes right here and connect it. To open this one, you need to be just get screwdriver or something, press it, pop out, and then connect this one part. And this one is goes right here, connecting, and connect right here. Back again. Just make sure that part is connected properly. Pull this thing out and let it go in right here. Let me show her. Let it go connect in this one, that plastic. this one and slide it. If you see, if I'm sliding this thing, slide it also this one part. If you can just push the drawer gently, push it slowly, and it will just then slightly open. Once you open, just check that it's connected to that part, and right there, see this one is didn't connect. I'm just gonna push a little bit with my hand and I hear the click sound. That's easy. That's you have to do. And after doing that, turn back the freezer and my all of them lights are coming back again. Everything is working. I can just place back the tray and put it and push it back. That's it. This is the wire. Find out it was disconnected, and let's break from this part and this one. That's the only thing you have to replace.